Vivo has come up with its latest model, that is Vivo S1 Pro, in the late 2019. This device is a combination of beautiful design and excellent camera setup. I have already made a review about this phone and have shared the video link in the description as well as in the cards above. Vivo is not only improving their Fun Touch OS Android, but also they are coming up with some of the great features which really amazes us to grab the phone. In this video, I am going to share some of the tips that I liked of this Vivo S1 Pro. Vivo S1 Pro has a Super AMOLED display. The visuals are catchy and attractive, which makes anyone feel completely involved in it. To activate the dark mode, go to the settings, display and brightness, and select dark mode. This theme can also be scheduled by setting up start and end time. Another positive point of this theme is it reduces the battery consumption. This feature helps you to stop bothering about the phone calls, SMS or other important notifications and helps you to completely focus on riding. To activate this, go to settings, turn on motorbike mode, and there are options for auto reject calls and few more settings inside it. And there is also auto respond with SMS for avoiding any incoming messages. You can capture the screenshot in two ways. One method of taking the screenshot is by simultaneously hold volume down button plus power button together for 2 to 3 seconds and chosen screenshot will be grabbed. And another method is by using S capture, that is 3-finger swipe screenshot. By swiping fingers from downwards to upwards direction, and the desired screenshot will be automatically saved in your phone gallery. Face unlock is outstanding in daytime. The face unlock can also be used very efficiently in low brightness or at night time by enabling screen fill light option in settings. You can turn on screen fill light in settings, fingerprint face and password, select face and enable the screen fill option. S1 Pro also supports Always-On Display feature at low power consumption. Open settings, go to lock screen, home screen and wallpaper, then turn on the Always-On Display option. Always-On Display allows you to customize your screen to show time, date, battery status, notifications, screensavers and more. Also, you can choose your favorite design, style, color and stamp. The S1 Pro extends the viewing range of the device to 120 degrees with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle sensor, which allows to broaden the limits of photography. In terms of camera performance, it provides a major improvement with 4 cameras on the back, giving flawless quality in every shot. S1 Pro is upgraded with stunning features, that is Postmaster, and AI Face Beauty confirms that all your selfies look rich, natural and energetic. Also, the splendid camera features helps you to choose the photo angle and theme for capturing normal or self photos. Vivo, it's all about style and fun, which makes users amused with its latest technology. S1 Pro comes with a variety of animation effects to make phone unlocking easy and enjoyable with fingerprint and facial animations. To get this feature on, go to settings, dynamic effects, choose your fingerprint or facial animation settings. Smart Motion is another useful and amazing feature of Fun Touch OS. Other gestures include Smart Wake, Air Operation, Smart On-Off and Smart Call, etc. In this, there are few fixed gestures that can be used by just drawing motions on the screen like slide, upward to unlock. You can check its usage by just turning on each individual settings. From these settings, you can enable options to turn the screen on when you pick phone from your pocket, to turn display on when you double tap on screen. I feel all these smart gestures are very useful in our daily life, and without wasting much of our time, we can enable the desired things just by a click. We have come to end of this video. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll meet you in the new exciting video. Until then, this is Manish signing off.